Welcome back, Space Invaders. So this experiment, you're going to be looking at eclipses, and you're going to be creating a model of a lunar and solar eclipse, and then answering a bunch of questions near the end. You're going to work in pairs for this one, and I'm going to set the pairs up for you, and one individual will be doing the experiment twice. And the lucky person is, Mrs. Fantanao drew names out earlier, Mate. So Mate, you'll be doing the experiment twice with two different people, such as life. For this experiment, you're going to need your flashlight, okay, a bunch of textbooks, so whatever textbooks you can find around the class. At the back of the class, you'll find a baggie. In the baggie will be these items, so a large styrofoam ball, a smaller styrofoam ball, and a wire bent. The baggie will have a number on it, corresponding to your group. So for example, let's just say Nolan and Marcusol are working together. I'll call you group number 1. That's the baggie you pick up. Okay? You're also going to need your toilet paper roll. And what you're going to do is a little work on your toilet paper roll. So what you're going to do with your toilet paper roll is you're going to cut some slits in to fan it out. This is going to be the base for your experiment. Okay, so you cut the slits out. You notice there's some tape on here. So you're going to make little slits, kind of fan them out, and that will be the base. Okay, you're going to kind of tape it down, and that will be the base for your experiment. Okay, you're going to retrieve from your bag the large styrofoam ball will be the Earth. The small styrofoam ball will be the moon, and rolling away. The wire is going to be used to move the Earth around the moon to create the eclipses. So once you've got your items and you set up, you're going to find space. You're going to get your textbooks. You're going to set it up so that your flashlight is lying flat and it's parallel or level, casting a beam across. So you might have to mess around with your textbook. It might take 1 or 2 textbooks. It depends on the textbook you use. Okay? So what you're simply going to do is you're going to take the styrofoam ball and you're going to insert one of the bent ends into the Earth, comme ça. You're going to take the other end, and again careful, and insert it into the moon. Like that. Okay? What you want to be doing is create it so that it's level. And then what you're going to be doing is, someone's probably going to have to hold this like this, so you don't want your hand in the way here. Okay? And what you're going to do is turn your flashlight on, and you're going to first create a solar eclipse where the moon is in front of the Earth, and you want to make sure that the beam is hitting the moon and you're looking at what's happening over here on the Earth side. Okay? And then what you're going to do is observing what's happening. Again, there'll be a series of questions. You should have your questions with you so that you're able to answer the questions as you go along. Okay? So that's step 1. Step 2, you're then going to take your moon, and you might have to do some adjustments. Okay? And you're going to rotate it and create a lunar eclipse. Okay? This way, now the Earth is in front of the moon, and again, the sun is hitting the Earth, and we'll have it directly lined up here. Okay? So again, step 1 would be the solar eclipse. And again, you're going to have to futz to make sure everything kind of works, and you may have to tilt this down a bit again. And you notice that we have a direct parallel line here. So we have the sun, the moon, the Earth. This is our solar eclipse. And then when the moon is behind the Earth, okay, again, we have our lunar eclipse. All right, pretty straightforward. Again, there'll be a series of questions for you to answer. Make sure you have them with you. So again, just to go over a couple of things, you'll find a baggie at the back, and it'll have the Earth, the moon, the rod to turn them around, a numbered bag. Make sure you have your toilet paper roll to fan out. You need your flashlight and textbooks to stack. Okay? Happy space invading.